Convert floating point number to a certain precision and then copy to string. I have a floating point number, say 135.12345678910. I want to concatenate that value to a string, but only want 135.123456789. With print, I can easily do this by doing something like, with numVar being my original number. Is there an easy way to do this?
With Python is lower than 3, e.g. 2.6, see comments, or 2.7, there are two ways to do so. But note that for Python versions above 3, e.g. 3.2 or 3.3, option 2 is preferred. For more information on option 2, I suggest this link on string formatting from the Python documentation. And for more information on option 1, this link will suffice and has info on the various flags. Python 3.6, officially released in December of 2016, added the f-string literal, see more information here, which extends the str.format method, use of curly braces such that f, numVar :9f, solves the original problem, that is, solves the problem. Check out at Arduino's answer for more info, but this method is fast.
Python 3.6. Just to make it clear, you can use f-string formatting. This has almost the same syntax as the format method, but make it a bit nicer. Example. More reading about the new f-string. What's new in Python 3.6? Same link as above. PEP official documentation. Python official documentation. Really good blog post. Talks about performance too. Here is a diagram of the execution times of the various tested methods, from last link above.
Using round. In case the precision is not known until runtime, this other formatting option is useful.
It's not print that does the formatting, it's a property of strings, so you can just use.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.